So it turned out I had to adjust slides this morning because it turns out there's an entrepreneur here who is Brazilian, has lived in the UK for a decade, and has gone back to Brazil to start a fantastic new open source startup called RocketChat. And this is Gabriel. Gabriel's company is essentially making an open source web chat environment, and so I'm going to ask him to speak to two questions. First, what's great about RocketChat? And second, why have they adopted Snaps as the mechanism to deliver that app? Gabriel.
Thank you. The great thing about RocketChat, it was designed to be more than a chat application. It was a real-time communication platform, very open, easy to extend, easy to integrate, easy to collaborate, and I think we've got very successful. We had hundreds of contributors, over 50K deployments. But the last bit about being easy to deploy was always hard. I always had to configure the right version of MongoDB, the right version of Node.js, the right configuration for the reverse proxy, and that was always a lot of work for our team to give support to the open source community, and that's when Snaps comes in. And then we were able to create Snaps that are a single package that have everything built in, the right version of everything, the scripts to pre-configure, and now something that used to take, I don't know, hours to configure the whole stack, we can tell people just go and with a single line command, they have a RocketChat server running.
So RocketChat is made up of how many different pieces of software from how many different places?
Well, you have the MongoDB database, you have the reverse proxy, you have to do the SSL termination, you have
and
some
Ruby, Java,
well, we wanted to be as easy, so it's all Node.js, a full stack Node.js.
Okay. So installing that the old way would be lots and lots of pieces.
Yes, there was a long manual.
This is a snap. It's a big download because essentially that's one zip file of all of that stuff, and that gets published by the RocketChat team every day as a CI/CD process into a set of revisions, and then those revisions can be mapped into stable, beta, candidate, and edge channels, right? So that means that your users can get any day of the week either a new crazy latest version of RocketChat or the latest stable version.
Yeah, and help a lot of contributors to get the edge version, test the new features.
So this is rocket.ubuntu.com. It is effectively maintained entirely by these guys who push a new stable revision out while I'm sleeping. I love it. And it has not failed me yet. Thank you and well done.
Well, thank you very much.
Cheers. So just wrapping up. This is about making hacking fun again. You know, working with the cloud is awesome, but it costs a lot of money and it takes big teams, right? Because you're harnessing resources at scale. This is about tiny devices. This is an amazing box from Intel, Joule. It's this size, and this is the Samsung Arctic 10. This is all about having fun as a leading Linux entrepreneur and developer. I hope you'll find it useful. Thank you.